Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today's video is in collaboration with Varnail. Thank you so much, Varnail, for sending us over these products in today's video. This is my first time actually trying out Varnail's products, and honestly, the packaging is so beautiful and it makes so much sense because the products inside of the packaging are just as beautiful with amazing quality. They sent me over this kit here that has all 12 of their Aurora mermaid gels in it. These gels are extremely opaque. When I say I love the little tab so that you're able to peel back the seal and reveal the color. It's so clean and it doesn't create a large mess, which I love, especially compared to other potted gels that I've used in the past. And I just wanted to show you guys all of the colors that came inside of the kit as well. They also sent me over one of their gel polish kits. It comes with 6 jelly colors inside. Definitely going to be using these colors for up and coming videos. I honestly love the packaging of their products, and I just feel like overall it's amazing quality. I also received one of their French nail brushes. I actually used this with cleaning around my cuticle area, which was really nice. And then I also have their oval brush, and they also sent me their peel off base coat, which I will be using in today's video to apply the nail tips. This stuff does last, so if you want to be able to just pop your nails right off, I would recommend using a different peel off base coat. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that I love to go in with the Model 1's nail dehydrator, and I would like to use that to chemically etch the inside of my nail tips. You can also use primer. I did try that method since it was brought to my attention by a lot of you guys, and they both work. It doesn't matter whichever one you want to use, whatever is most useful for you, or if you choose to use an e-file, they both work just fine. I will also have these nail tips linked below. These are by Beetles. Onto the application, I'm going with my Model 1's Meow lamp and the peel off base coat. I'm just applying that peel off base coat inside of the nail as you would your regular gel glue, and I'm using that to actually adhere the tips on today. Once I've applied all of the nails, I'm just going in with this little buffing block that I did get off of Temu, and I'm just lightly removing the shine off of all of the nails. Once we've completely buffed the nails, I'm going in with my little lint-free wipe and just removing any lint around the nails and the cuticle, as well as under the tips. And now we can move on to our nail art. I'm using the pink shimmering color from our potted gels from Varnail and the oval brush, and I will be going ahead and applying 2 coats of this gel polish today for our design. After cleaning up to make sure that I don't have any gel on my skin or cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my Model 1's lamp for 60 seconds and then proceed to my second coat. And again, I always make sure to clean up around my skin before curing in my lamp again. This is what the gel polish looks like by itself, and it surprised me because it was super smooth and not grainy. These polishes are so pretty. I cannot wait to use more in my up and coming videos. I'm going in with this gel top coat and applying a layer to all of the nails and then curing it for 60 seconds. As you can see, I have some gold crescent moons and stars. I'm going to be using those for my nail design today. I just wanted to keep it a little bit more on the simple side, but these are the charms that I'm going in with today. And I also placed them onto one of my little dishes so that you guys can see exactly the ones that I'm going to be using. And even the really small stars, I wish I had more that I could find. Those would be really cute for this design as well. To apply those charms, I'm using my McCart rhinestone glue. And you'll see here I'm just doing some random little dots of the rhinestone glue on the nail where I want to place the charms. And we will go ahead and start with applying them and maneuvering the charms around just to see if I really like the placement before fully solidifying the design. As you can see here, I'm just kind of moving my charms around to see if they're exactly where I want them to be before curing them in the lamp for 60 seconds, just to set everything in place. For my final step, I'm going in with my Beetles cuticle oil, and you can use any oil that you have for the cuticles. I'm just brushing that on and rubbing it in. And this is going to be our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know of any cool looks that you guys have in mind for this beautiful gel polish set so that I can try those next. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.